Maximize small closet capacity with vertical hanging shelf systems that multiply folded clothing storage without costly renovations. Start by choosing the right hanging shelf type for your load and closet height. For dense folded items like sweaters, use hammock-style shelves that support fabric without crushing fibers and distribute weight across multiple attachment points. Position them 2 to 3 inches below the hanging rod to maintain airflow. For heavier stacks, choose Cascade hanging shelves with reinforced bottoms made from plywood or rigid plastic panels sewn into the fabric to prevent sagging. Measure the rod to floor distance first and count how many shelves will fit while leaving clearance for longer garments. Use reinforced hanging cubbies with wide hook and loop straps when you need modularity because these attach securely to the rod and can be rearranged without tools. Inspect the stitching and strap width and replace weak straps before loading. Shoe and accessory hanging organizers free up floor space by moving shoes, belts, and scarves into narrow vertical pockets, so categorize by frequency of use and place everyday items at eye level. When using metal hanging shelves for lighter garments, select powder-coated steel or aluminum models to prevent rust, and choose models with open grids to aid ventilation and reduce mildew risk. Common mistakes come from overloading a single shelf and causing sag or rod bending, so test each shelf with a typical load before final placement and spread weight across adjacent supports. People also stack heavy items on hammock or fabric-only shelves, which leads to permanent deformation. Avoid this by limiting heavy garments to reinforced bottom or metal shelves and rotate folded items regularly. Another frequent issue is poor attachment, causing shelves to twist or slide. Secure hook and loop straps tightly, add non-slip shelf tape where contacts meet the rod, or use small S hooks with safety clips to lock position. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and source ideas for organizing small closets using real user threads. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners and host an active discussion community where we share product experiences and installation tips.